Hello all. So today I'm stuck with one problem on my Windows 10 laptop where my Windows display has moved on the left hand side, and I'm just trying to fix this issue on my system. So many people on the internet may not know how to fix this, so I'm just trying to help all those people who are looking to fix this kind of problem. So to fix this, you have to use three keys. Okay, one will be your alt key, second will be your control key, and you have to use your arrow keys. Okay, so suppose if my Windows went on the uh, left side, I want to move down, I will press alt plus control plus the up like arrow, so that it will move down to its regular position. Okay, so let me do that for you guys. I'm just going towards my laptop. I'm using this control alt, and I'm using the arrow key. So see, I've used control plus alt all together, and then I used the up arrow key to resolve this issue with the display. So you can also do this and tell to your friends. Please like my video, and thank you very much.